I don't think it's that big. The big ones fight easy. Like a 25 incher. We'll find out. We'll get the Frabel out. Get the Frabel.
Get the Frabel.
Oof. How do you like that Shimano? Crucial.
I love this rod.
Do ya? How's the Nano, Phil? How's the Nano?
Thoroughbred of fishing lines.
Here it comes now. It's a good fish. 26 incher maybe. Ooh. It's a good thick fish. Tournament fish. Tournament fish. Here he comes. Whoop.
Good
Saw
stuff.
that,
Good stuff.
Big one, huh, E? There she is. In the Frabel.
Thank you, buddy.
Hey, you're the king of big fish.
Yeah. And you knew it when I set the hook, didn't you?
Oh, of course.
Oh my God, this is a heavy fish.
Yeah, hold it up quick while you're on video. Here. Pop the hook right there.
Pop the line if you want.
Oh, the hook's right there. Get her back in the water. Quick measure.
Can we keep it?
Nah. It's just too short to keep you in. It's just at 26. Here.
26, you said?
Just 26 incher.
Is it big enough to keep?
Baby, a t-shirt, huh?
Look at that.
Dad?